So the trade I took Friday is moving nicely. We're currently at a 1 to 6, coming to 1 to 7. My target is a 1 to 10. The reason it's a 1 to 10 is because we're targeting the daily high. So if you don't know, I trade the daily range on the 30 minutes. So whatever structure it is, I'm trading the pullbacks within the daily range, reversals in the daily range, and the continuation within the daily range. So we're aiming for this daily high right here. But I'm not aiming for the exact high. I'm just, the most I aim for is a 1 to 10, and the 1 to 10 is just before the high. So that is why it's a 1 to 10. We're in the phase C, continuation phase. I've moved this trade now to break even, and I've moved it to, so fees on this is $23 at the moment. So I've moved my break even stop to $23 in profit. So if it does come back down and hits break even, I make zero on this, but the risk is now off this trade. So until I take risk off the trade, I don't like to get into any new trades. So because we're in phase C continuations now, I'm happy to get involved in other areas. So this big push here is actually a gap. So we're likely to fill this gap in and then hopefully continue from there. There is 2 POIs, and then there's one here as well. So I will be potentially buying off these two if it pulls down to here. There is a gap here. I know it doesn't. There's no gap on here, but on my MT5 where I've actually entered the trade, I can see there's a big gap here. So price is likely to fill in the gaps. So I'm not going to panic when price starts to pull down, because that's what price is going to do. If you're following this and you're actually in this trade as well, do not panic when price starts to pull back and come down. Don't panic. From my backtest data on this, price can come all the way back down and then push up again and make it can do that. So you have to be willing to take. Now this is a risk-free trade that we're currently in. You don't have to panic. You don't have to worry. We're not going to lose any money on this trade now. So, but it is likely to come down here and continue with one of these. So we're keeping an eye on that. So, but yeah, if I only like to do one trade at a time, but because of what phase we're in, and I'm happy to take trades because of the current phase. It's a high probability phase, and because of this gap as well, I'm happy to take more buys if it comes down to it. If this gap wasn't there, I wouldn't actually. I'd probably just be waiting until this hits my TP, and then I'll be on the next trade. But the gap is making me think that it might fill it in to then continue. So it might come down here, fill in this gap, grab liquidity here, and then continue to our TP. So keep an eye on this for the next couple of days. And yeah, that's the analysis for Germany 40 this morning.